Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 7 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Congratulations on making it this far. Today we have a dynamic, full body, standing stretching flow. So you're not going to need anything special for this, just some empty space. When you're ready, meet me in a standing position. Feet can be about hips width. Allow your arms to rest by your sides. Inhale to find length through the crown of the head. And exhale out the mouth to release your shoulder blades down and back. We'll do one more breath like that. Inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Side bend over to the right. Grab hold of your left thumb. Guide your left arm up and over, opening through the chest. Inhale to reach up. And exhale, we go to the other side. Grab hold of the left thumb. Let's do that one more time on each side. This time when you come over, maybe even point your left toe. Really get your whole side of your body involved. Breathe in. And breathe out, coming up and over to the other side. Awesome. Fingertips reach up. Release your arms down to your side. Give them a little shake out. This time we reach fingertips up toward the sky. Interlace. Press your palms up. We're going to take a full body circle. So inhale to reach up and over to the right. And then ever so slightly and slowly bend your knees and allow your hands to almost skim the ground, coming all the way up and over. And we'll reverse the direction, go the other way. Oh, this feels so good for me today. Up and over. Let's do that one more time each side. Awesome. Release your hands, neck rolls. Take your right ear to your right shoulder, and then slowly drop your head forward. Gaze down towards the ground, come all the way over to the left side. Pause for a second, and then switch, go back to the right. Let's do that one more time. Maybe you get the upper back involved too, exaggerating the movement. Awesome. Stand all the way up. Squeeze your ears towards your shoulders towards your ears, and then release them. One more time, just like that. Squeeze shoulders to ears, and release. Okay, shoulder rolls. Inhale to squeeze your shoulders up, and exhale to drop them down and back. Start off small. And with every rotation, allow the movement to grow a little bit bigger. Get your elbows involved. Until they become big arm circles, helping you open through the chest. And last one. Fingertips reach up again. Interlace, and now press forward, rounding through the back for cat back. Inhale to reach up, look up, and exhale, cat back one more time. Inhale, reach, 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 and exhale to cactus the arms. Take your hands to your hips. Let's do a couple hip circles in one direction. You might hear a couple cracks and pops out of my hips. Sometimes they're alarmingly loud. And go the other direction. Finding some stillness, standing up tall, figure four stretch. Shift your weight into your left foot. Hook your right ankle over your left knee. See if you can focus your gaze on something and sit your hips down and back. One more breath here. Press firmly into the left foot to reach up, stand up. And then we're going to sit back into a hamstring stretch. The right heel comes to the ground. Right toes flex up toward the sky. Sit back. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Come back up to standing. Give everything a little shake out. And we'll do that on the other side. Figure four. Shift the weight into your right foot. Gentle bend in the right leg. Hook left ankle over right knee. Sit down and back. Ooh, I'm a little wobbly. Can you sink down even deeper? One more breath in. On your exhale, stand up nice and tall. Left heel comes to the ground. Left toes flex up to the sky. Sit back, hamstring stretch. And last breath. Stand up tall. Shake it all out. Let's come into a quad stretch. Shift your weight into your left foot. Grab hold of your left foot in your hand. Kiss your knees together. Stand up nice and tall. And if you're feeling like your balance can handle it, let's see if you can reach your left arm up toward the sky. One more breath like this. Now stay with me. Keep the right foot off the ground. You're going to take your right knee into your chest. Give it a little squeeze when you get there. Ankle rolls, take it in one direction and the other as feels good to you. And from here, let's see if you could do it without touching your foot down. We're going to come into a lunge. So step your right foot back. Oop. See if you can keep your balance. Sink into your hip flexor, deepening the stretch. See if you can come to a 90-degree angle in that front leg. Take a few breaths here. And now take your fingertips to the floor. Step your back foot in just a few inches, and we're going to straighten the front leg, hinging forward over the front leg. Think about bringing your left hip back, your right hip forward. With every inhale, lengthening through the crown of your head. One more breath. Awesome. Bend through the front knee, step forward, hands to hips, roll all the way up. And we'll switch over and do that on the other leg. Shifting weight into your right foot now. Bend the left knee, grab hold of your left foot, bring it into your butt. stay here, or for a little challenge, reach right fingertips up. From here, see if you can bring your knee into your chest. Give it a little squeeze when you get there, and then take some ankle rolls. Ooh, I'm gonna fall over. And don't forget to switch and go the other direction. Now from here, remember, we're gonna find the lunge position. So slowly hinge forward, take your left leg out behind you. You may need to widen your stance here to really feel it in your hip flexor on the left side. Check in with your front knee, make sure it's stacking over your ankle, really sink into this stretch. And then from here, we will hinge forward. So fingertips can come to the ground to give you a little bit of support. Step your back foot in an inch or two, and then straighten the front leg as much as you can, lengthening with every inhale and with every exhale, hinging forward. One more breath in. Oop. Bend through the front knee, step your feet together. Allow your body to hang here just for a moment. Let any tension drain out of the top of your head. And then go ahead and find some stillness. We're going to take a twist here. Left fingertips plant on the ground and right fingertips reach up. You can bend the left knee generously here to allow you to sink deeply into this twist. Gaze can be down, or you can look up towards your fingertips. One more breath in. Exhale, sigh it all out. Shake your hips from side to side. Plant your right fingertips and take a twist over to the other side. Bending deeply into your right knee here. Both fingertips find the ground. And on your next exhale, hands to hips, roll all the way up to standing. I'm going to end with a few full body stretches here. Inhale to reach up, and exhale, we throw everything away. Inhale and exhale. One more, just like that. Inhale and exhale. Slowly roll yourself all the way back up to standing. Shake everything out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Congrats again on making it through 7 days of our challenge, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.